I've been exploring the Opensky secured Visa credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The Opensky secured Visa is designed for people with poor, limited, or rebuilding credit who either can't qualify for a traditional unsecured card or want a simple starter option. You put down a refundable security deposit, then get a credit line that reports to the major bureaus, which is the real value here if you are trying to build a positive payment history in 2026 tighter lending environment. There is no teaser intro rate to worry about, just a flat variable APR around the mid 20% range and a $35 annual fee. So you know your ongoing costs up front. On the user side, many reviewers say it genuinely helped them add points to their scores within a few months as long as they kept utilization low and paid on time. With that said, it's not perfect. The annual fee is not trivial on a product that offers no rewards, so you're paying purely for access and credit building, not cashback. The interest rate is high, which is common in this segment, but it makes carrying a balance an expensive habit and pretty much forces you to treat it as a pay-in-full tool. Several recent reviewers complain that payments can take days or even a couple of weeks to fully post and free up your available credit, which is frustrating if you rely on a small limit. Others mention customer service and account reporting issues, including replacement cards showing up as new lines, which can hurt more than help if not corrected quickly. Overall, the Opensky secured Visa still makes sense in 2026 if you need a no-frills way to establish or rebuild credit and you are disciplined about paying in full and keeping usage low. But the fees, high APR, and slower payment processing mean it is best used as a temporary stepping stone until you qualify for a cheaper, more rewarding card. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.